Imagine a 120-inch screen replacing your 65-inch, even 85-inch TV. Quick note, this video is sponsored by Hisense to show off its latest L9Q Ultra Short Throw Laser TV. Stop the FOMO. Today we're diving into a brand new laser TV from Hisense, the L9Q. And I'm pretty excited to show you what it can do. With 5,000 ANSI lumens of triple laser power, the L9Q punches through your ambient light like no other ultra short throw projector. And yes, it is replacing my Hisense PX3 Pro. Now keep in mind, this isn't your old school projector. It's a laser TV, and like any Google TV, once connected to Wi-Fi, you get the familiar Google TV interface with built-in access to live channels and all the streaming apps like Disney+, Hulu, and Netflix. An ultra short throw laser TV like the L9Q is the easiest way to go big. It can project anywhere from 80 inches to 200 inches while staying compact and easy to move between rooms. And at under 30 pounds, the L9Q is a featherweight compared to a 100-inch TV. Like the 100-inch Hisense U75QG, that is almost 140 pounds without the stand. Although the spec says that it can stretch to 200 inches, I recommend keeping it between 100 and 120 inches because as you get larger and larger, you're going to lose a little bit of brightness and definitely some of that contrast. Keeping it under 120 inches gets the most out of this TV. Now here's the convenient part. If you're not yet ready to commit to installing a drop-down screen, use a white wall and experiment with size and positioning. That's exactly how I played with it at home. Now once you've found that perfect spot, you can always upgrade to a good ALR screen later for better contrast and even deeper blacks. The sample scenes you'll see later is on my ALR screen, so you can see for yourself how well this laser TV performs. Now because it is ultra short throw, it's less than 6 inches away from the screen to get to that 100-inch size. So you don't need a dedicated theater, even with a bit of ambient light. It can even turn a random hallway into a Netflix watch party. But of course, the dimmer the room, the better the contrast, but you don't have to live in the dark to enjoy the L9Q. Now setup is truly plug and play. No ceiling mounts, no complicated wiring. Place the L9Q on a console or a coffee table near the wall and you're watching within minutes. The design definitely feels premium and understated, especially with this copper color that just pops in any decor. And console gaming on a 100-inch screen, yes. Let's talk gaming specs. Although it has 4 HDMI ports in total, only the first 2 are ultra high speed, capable of supporting 4K 120 on my PS5 Pro, but there's no VRR as you can see here. Regardless, this is not an issue for most console gamers. I'm happy with locked 4K 60 if I can get it. And you can choose different gaming presets in the game genre setting to match your favorite titles. I found standard to be fine for Black Myth Wukong. I'm just happy with a locked 4K 60 when I can get it. Definitely game dependent.
The destiny is
gamers, input lag is low enough. I was playing Black Myth Wukong at 100 inches, enjoying that triple laser color punch, skin tones, natural, motion is smooth, it's responsive, no complaints. And because it's laser driven, there are no bulbs to replace. So this light engine is rated for years and years of daily use. Now onto the part that really matters to me, picture quality. On paper, this projector can do 5,000 ANSI lumens of brightness and 5,000 to 1 native contrast ratio. But what does that really mean? Unlike single laser or color wheel systems, there is no rainbow effect. No spinning filter, just pure red, green, and blue lasers combining for an incredibly rich and accurate color. So what does this mean for real-world viewing? Movies, sports, streaming, TV shows? In one word, it's impressive. HDR content pops with genuine depth. Check out Jennifer Gala's YouTube content where it's super bright and look how well it tone maps everything to pop. For movies, skin tones stay natural. Look at the skin tone accuracy next to my reference monitor. Motion stays smooth and highlights have that extra sparkle. But what makes the L9Q really pop above its predecessor like the PX3 Pro and the competitors is daytime real-world usage. You don't have to turn off all the lights and cover all the windows. It's not just bright on paper, it's bright in a way that works in your living room. Watching sports, this is where the L9Q really works. Sports fans will love how bright and crisp it stays, even with the lights on. Motion is smooth, jutter-free, and 10 feet away from a 120-inch screen. Watching football, you are on the sidelines, my friend. Now here's the moment that sold me. Watching Netflix in HDR, I caught myself forgetting it was a projector. The immersion, color depth, and shadow detail all work together and you just don't want to leave. And last but definitely not least is the audio. From this tiny little box, wow, it challenged my best TVs. My best Hisense TVs, my large 85-inch TVs. The Dia Valet audio system, I mean, they are experts in stuffing awesome sound in a tiny box. They did it here. The only thing really missing is that subwoofer action below 120 Hz and true surround with multiple speakers. But in a pinch, this is easily one of the best audio from any projector, ultra short throw or not, better than anything out there. I'm pretty confident that you're going to enjoy this audio and wait before you upgrade because I think it'll impress you. And if you're going to improve the audio, make sure you add something with a subwoofer and multiple surround speakers because that would be the true upgrade. Otherwise, this audio is pretty satisfying. So, who's it for? The Hisense L9Q is definitely for people who want to go bigger than 85 inches. You know, you're wondering 100 inches, 120. But you're in a tiny apartment, you live on the 3rd floor, you don't want to be carrying up there a 150, 140 pound TV on and off the wall, right? This is the solution for you. Small box, beautiful image, onto any wall. You don't have to commit to a drop-down ALR screen until you're ready. Check it out for yourself. I put the affiliate links in the video description below. And a big thank you to Hisense for giving us an amazing laser TV that doesn't require me to live in the dark to enjoy it. Until next time, think about that 100-inch upgrade you're almost ready to get.